here already?
Andrew?
What's up, man?
What's going on? Who's that?
Is he here already?
Adam?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's here. Yeah, his dad and Todd and them are right here with Phil. He's over at the truck, I think, right now.
So Adam's already at the truck?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah, he should be.
Okay.
If he's not with his dad, if he's not with his dad and Phil and them, then he'll be over at the truck. Okay. I left him there a few minutes ago.
I'm about to give him my award.
When do you want to do it?
I'm doing it right now.
You want to do it? Oh, before you get busy in that? Yeah. I should.
You want to go there real quick? I'm going to hide it. I don't want to...
Hey, Todd! Is Adam at the truck? Yeah. Okay. He's over at the truck.
I'm going to hide it.
We got here 7:45, so it's got to be maybe 9. Yeah, Lonnie was telling us that last night. He's like, just wait till 11. He's like, wait till lunchtime and you won't be able to move in here.
Get your content right now.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing. I made sure last night and this morning got everything I needed to before the crowds get in on it. And the rest of the day I can just chill. And you got the rest of your staff just showing up to help you today? Or?
Take some pictures, get some content.
Yeah.
Talk to people. You know.
So where are you guys based out of? Like Houston area?
Yeah,
or?
yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I actually texted Lonnie. I said, Lonnie, is this truck coming? He was like, yeah, he's coming. I got him to come. So I was like, all right, that's all we need to know.
That's it. Yeah, man, the love from Texas for us being here has been awesome.
Yeah, Texans, like, we really look out for one another.
Yep.
You know, we're not, you know, we do have some crazy, craziness around here, but like, it's like sort of say, like, we look out for our neighbors. You know? Plus, like, we showed you a lot of shows, like Full Throttle.
Yeah.
I know those guys. Black Widow Exhaust, they've been around for years, too. So, we got Switch. A lot of great vendors here.
Yeah, and everybody seems to know each other so well. It's like family. You guys are always together, but you're always, there's no animosity. And there's no fighting amongst it. Everybody supports everybody, no matter whether it's the same genre, the same thing you're doing.
Oh, yeah.
Because without all of you don't have this.
Have you guys tried pink tacos?
No, I heard about it yesterday, though.
You tried pink tacos?
Yeah, I heard about it.
I mean, tacos are good, but they're pink. It's crazy. But they're good, you know. They're good. It's just like a staple at this car show. Did you get pink tacos?
No, I've always loved the Lone Star State. I used to drive long haul years ago, and I spent a lot of time down here from Ontario and back, doing runs to Laredo. And every time through here, man, I'd stop at Texas Motor Speedway if I had time to go watch a race, or I'd spend the night in Austin and do the music. And I loved Houston, down on the Gulf.
Burgers or right there at Spurs?
Oh, right there in the corner. Yeah. No, I loved my time down in here. Always did. Everything from Memphis over. So yeah, we got Randy beside us. Too ballistic. He brought it in.
I have not seen that.
Yeah. Somebody gave him. Where did it go? One of the clothing companies. I think one of the vendors beside Mini Truck and Magazine gave him an award.
Yeah. OP.
Yeah. That's the one. Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy, right?
Bad,
yeah, it's crazy. Oh yeah.
What's up, man? So how was that drive all the way from Canada?
Long enough.
How many hours was it?
1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
Sure felt like it.
No, we were about 25 total. We did have a blowout outside of Grange, I guess.
Yeah.
Grange.
No, yeah, LaGrange, Kentucky, just outside of Louisville.
Yeah, so we had a blowout there. Had to spend the night, so it kind of slowed us down a bit. But we got here on Thursday morning.
We left in plenty of time to make sure that wouldn't happen, make sure of that stuff.
Can I ask you a question? Why a Ford Ranger?
You know what? I ask myself that question all the time.
Why a mini truck?
So it's a long story, man.
I'm here for it.
It's a long story. Okay, so when I was turning 16, my dad wanted to get the 16th birthday present. Vehicle, right? Whatever, right? And his words to me were word for word. I'm gonna get something that you appreciate, or you're dead. That's the words that he said. Yeah. And then I had no idea about cars and stuff like that at that point.
Yeah.
I didn't even want my license when I was that young. But my dad took me to a Take Your Kid to Work day.
Yeah.
And he designed all the softwares for like muffler Midas muffler, and like so when you type in your like what kind of car do you have, my dad made the software for those things, right? Okay. So he went to sites to do like fixing their whatever.
Gotcha,
Right?
gotcha.
Tech support, whatever else. Anyway, I went to one of the shops and there was an OBS red, like I think it was 98, or no, so 80, 98, right? Anyway, extended cab on like 15-inch like Kragers, right? It was up on a hoist, and I was walking around the back of the bay because I was allowed to. And one of the techs came over and he was showing me what things were, like what the axle was, the drive shaft, like where the transmission's. Like I had no idea that.
Yeah.
Right. Anyway, he brings his truck down to show me the inside. Purple and gray tweed interior, two TV in the center console, and that's.
What year was this?
It was an OBS, so an 88 to 98 Chevy full size, and that's what sold me on trucks.
How old were you?
I was 15.
15. And what year was it?
So I got this truck in 1998.
You've had this truck since '98?
Yeah, this is my first truck.
First truck.
You've had, okay, so you're like me. I've had my truck since '01.
Okay, there you go.
I've had mine, and the reason why I have mine is because one of my friends, he had an S10.
Okay.
It was a lowrider.
Yeah,
He had like the gold date knockoffs.
Yeah,
he had like the graphics on it.
Yeah,
It was a
bro.
lowrider.
Yeah.
And he had like the felt fabric.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
like,
yeah.
you know,
100%.
early 2000s, late 90s. That was the thing. So I said, you know what? I want the same truck, but I want to extend the cab.
Okay.
I want the same thing, but I want to drive mine.
Yep.
I want to eventually bag it. I shaped it. I did all that stuff to it.
Cool.
So like, it's crazy that you've had this since '98 because I had mine since '01. So that's crazy.
I have pictures of this truck
That's
in its
crazy.
original in my yard at the beach with a bunch of the other trucks in the Mazda that I now have.
That
I
is
have this
so
before it was ever tore
crazy.
apart in the late 90s, yeah.
That is so
I used to
crazy.
drive it everywhere, man. And I didn't want a Ford.
So
I didn't want a Ford.
was this a new truck when you got it, or was it?
No.
It was a
89, it would have been like
Okay,
7,
so-
8 years old.
how many owners had?
One.
So you're the
Second owner.
second owner.
Yeah.
Damn.
And his girlfriend actually bought a brand new from the dealership.
You can drive it around,
Yeah.
whatever.
And now it's taken a while to get it to this point, but
Frame is beautiful.
like we've done everything under dash brake mixture.
Check it out.
They both good. You think? Here, I got you.
Well, I don't want to step.
Oh no, you're good.
I'm not gonna give you.
Dude, get in. Yeah, sit in it.
I can't sit. It's okay. Get in.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Not right now.
Take your time.
I love you, too.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
I love
I'll say
Oh, what's it everything? Okay, so love your truck. I love how you incorporate and represent Kevin Jefferson on behalf of the truck and takeover and all mini truckers all over the world.
Oh, come on.
Of course you will. Sure.
Seriously?
Yes, sir.
Bro.
Congratulations.
Sick.
Congratulations, man.
Yo.
Yes, sir.
Yo, that's dope.
Yeah. The moment I knew you were coming, it was yours.
For real?
I'm not lying. I was telling him.
That's
I was
so
telling him.
sick.
I just told him, I was like, the moment I knew you were coming, I actually asked him, "You're, like, confirmed?"
Yeah.
He's good.
Bro, that's
He's good. That's good.
That's so dope. Check it out.
And go. Mini truck and takeover.
That's big time. That's huge.
Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate it, homie.
Problem, man. Hey, thank you, like, for what y'all do, because it's not just you representing Canada Day. You made the scene in the club. That's amazing. There's not too many people like that. We appreciate
That's,
that.
hey, man, that's how we are. Man.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
legit,
yeah.
everybody from there, we're all kind of
So we are in
man.
Texas too, but not
And so,
everybody, you know,
that's
not
like, no,
everybody's.
like, I haven't been to a ton of U.S. shows, but this has been by far the best one.
Wait until later on. You're gonna be like, dude, can you back up off the
That's
It's gonna be. You're gonna have a crowd. Like it's gonna be.
Yo, man. You know this was built in a garage. This was built by a shop. This was built in a garage, a 2-car garage with angle grinders and a big welder on jack stands.
Well, y'all did a hell of.
This was painted in his barn. Like,
Y'all painted this in a barn.
Well, I have a shop, but it was my
Oh,
shop.
he said barn.
Oh, yeah.
like it was.
So who did the graphics? Y'all
Yeah,
did.
he's-
That's what I do. Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right.
Yep.
Do you so? Are you for? Do you know Ford as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so every layer is a different Ford trim from this trim.
Oh, that's so
Falcon,
sick.
Meteor, and
57 Ford to give it all that swoop.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. And they're all Ford.
It's all 4 colors. All OEM 4 colors. All of 50 colors.
Crazy.
There you go, man.
Oh, shake it, dude.
Congratulations, man.
Yo, that's serious. That's Shoot, thank you.
My job is to choose my favorite, but I like the backstories. You know, like Eddie Gordy. He won it last year.
Oh, did he?
Last year. But the backstory is like he told me, like, man, you know, my shell, he got from a homeless man.
Oh, no way. Okay, that's cool.
Like, what owner would tell someone where they got, like, all the little stuff? Like, he has so much detail in that beautiful truck. And it's like, choice word. I mean, you know, but dude, it's just beautiful. And it's my first time seeing it in person. I haven't been in it. Oh, no way. I haven't been in it. So I'm just like, I see pictures of it when you're at, is it Seymour or Alamo?
So it was an Alamo.
Yeah, Alamo. And I was just like, yo, who's the owner? Where is this coming from? Like,
The Great White North, babies.
Eddie. Have you met Eddie? He's my favorite Mazda guy. Favorite Mazda guy. The only Mazda. Yeah. Is there any other? Oh, there's some coming out. There's some coming out. I can't say it. There's some coming out. That's a whole other level of it. Everything's Puerto Rican.
Trico, flat point, white gold, bronze fire, magnetic, ruby red, or whatever. Blue jean metallic, it got silver, and it got black, every color.
The colors and the trim we pulled from 57 Ford, 57 Meteor, the custom to give it those swoops. Every point in the back is all from one of them. Absolutely amazing. Andrew from Mini Truck and Takeover just dropped Adam Choice Award for the Mini for the Ranger. This is unbelievable. Super stoked on this award. And it's only 9 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. Thank you, Andrew. Super stoked to meet you. We're so blessed to be here. Texas has been unbelievable, showing us love here from Canada. Couldn't be more happy with how this turned out right now. Amazing. Let's see what the rest of the day brings. Thank you, sir.